Well, we sure did have a foggy morning, but it changed into a pretty nice afternoon.
It did. Sunshine came out almost full here for a while. Skies clear, but already clouds are moving back in. We're already tracking another storm that may have rain in here as early as late tonight. So enjoy this early evening. I guess the timing really nice for that, with a lot of lovebirds out and about in the downtown area and really all over the place. We'll stay at least dry, but it will be cloudy. And look how mild it'll be. Temperatures will be very pleasant all evening long. 69 degrees right now. By 10 p.m. we've only dropped maybe 5 degrees. We're not expecting to go below the low 60s all night long. So really good timing here for Valentine's Day and your Valentine's evening. Temperatures around the hill country, low and mid 70s, still 77 degrees, or well, it's just dropped to 75 there. Last new update from Llano. In the metro area, low 70s, a few upper 60s, including Cedar Park, Wimberley, and San Marcos, down to 68 degrees right now. In our eastern counties, a lot of 60s over here too. The clouds have been surging back northward from the south and southeast, so you folks have clouded up a little earlier, and that's got you back again into the 60s after seeing some brief afternoon readings in the low 70s today. Austin and Camp Mabry is mostly cloudy and 68. The airport's mostly cloudy and 69 degrees. That moisture's coming back in. Dew points are going up. That happens when we get a south wind, and right now they're south at 9 to 14 miles per hour. Sunsets at 6:19 tonight. Pollen count not too bad today. It was up just a little bit. The mold count back into the medium category, and the elm count at 58. Medium ash is remaining low today. Around our state, it's been a pretty nice February day in most locations. 70s still at this hour back toward the west along the coast. Some 60s, 75 down in Brownsville, 63 degrees up in Dallas. Morning fog this morning, and the gray shades there lifted. Lots of sun, and then these gray shades here coming from the south are the low clouds that are beginning to surge north and will cover our sky tonight ahead of a storm system that you can clearly see spinning here coming out of Arizona, headed into New Mexico. This storm is going to turn to the northeast and track across the Texas Panhandle quickly tomorrow. It's going to be such a fast-moving system that we're not going to have a chance to get a lot of rain out of this particular system. It's going to be a quick shot of it early in the morning. The next storm behind this one, though, it's way up here in the Pacific Northwest right now. The computer models say it's going to come all the way down here to just west of El Paso by this weekend. That is going to put us in a more favorable position to have maybe more widespread and maybe a little more heavier rainfall totals by Saturday. Yes, we have another system coming late in the week, and then there's another one after that. In fact, it looks like, according to computer models, we could continue to see a series of these systems all the way to March. Now, we're not necessarily going to get them every 2 to 3 days like we have here recently, but we continue to see this very similar pattern for about the next 2 weeks. Well, that was the supercomputer's future clouds and radar model, and that's a pretty important map, so I'm going to back the computer up to show that one to you. And here we go. Begins with tonight, and there's 4 o'clock in the morning with some light rain in the area. Here's rush hour in the morning, 8 a.m. Rain showers mainly up and down the I-35 and eastern hill country area, and then that begins to spread eastward. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. It's already over in Austin. We've got some showers and thunderstorms off to the northeast. There's the clearing line. Then it turns out to be a nice afternoon tomorrow. We'll be back into the 70s behind the system tomorrow. So as I mentioned, very quick one. But then look at this moisture surging back northward as early as Thursday evening, and we may have rain again as early as Friday. This is just super. Tonight, the overnight low temperatures, not below the low 60s in Austin, some 50s in rural areas. Then behind the system tomorrow, because it's coming out of the Pacific, it's warm, we'll be back into the 70s. Tonight, 62. Some fog and patchy showers late tonight, and then in the morning some showers, some thunderstorms. Then those will move off to the east. The skies will clear, and let's go 76 for the high tomorrow. And then a break, a one-day break on Thursday. Then a slight chance of rain by Friday, especially Friday night. Much better chance of rain, maybe some thunderstorms on Saturday. And then Sunday looks pretty good. Austin Marathon Sunday morning looks good, a little chilly. And then another system by Tuesday.
All right.